So you can do it even without gate open. Yeah. Nice. The second one is coming down. So you can go way, way up above the gate or fence. Yeah. Perfect. That's very good. He's checking can he open the, close the gate. That's perfect. Very good. That's it. Yeah, she's looking for food, or she's looking where she put the food last time, right? But this time we made some protection, right? For our young trees here, we've put protection so she cannot go inside. Oh, there she is. She's looking for any kind of food.
She stood on her 2 feet.
Mm-hmm.
But she was holding on to the higher place.
But we put protection here with the plastic net and bricks, so she cannot go inside and expose our roots, because they're gonna dry out in a minute, and all these nice small trees, they're gonna die out very, very quickly. That's why we made sure that she's not reaching it anymore.
What happened is it go, like up to the ceiling.
And she's digging really hard.
What happens is it grow, and like sunflowers. What happened is it do that?
Well,
She's not digging because it's,
access denied.
she's smelling first.
She's smelling first.
I know why she's not digging, because it doesn't look like there's plants there anymore. Maybe she's eating the pokey stuff, I think.
Oops.
She went where all the woods go. That's not food.
I think this is good protection anyway.
It is over here. 'Cause she can't put her head in. That's crazy.
Right.
Oh, how'd she get up there? Now
She's gone now. Nice. Nice job. Nice job. This is how it looks now. We wanted to preserve these delicate flowers, actually leaves, right? Because our friend, just a second, our friend, well, it's hard to focus to this neck, but that's it, has the small leaves, right? I want to focus on the leaves. Doesn't want to focus, right? Through the net. But anyway, nice and delicate leaves. I can remove it. I can always remove this. So that's what I invented, my invention. Now, there you go. Maybe I should hold it like this. I just want to record this. Unprecedented. I want to record this. Nice leaves. And I don't want them to be destroyed. So I put this thing here around and put one block. Just for now, and then when I add more mulch on top of it, which is basically idea, then it doesn't have to be held in place by blocks. And we have a lot of mulch. Came this morning, and the guy did the perfect job, like you've seen before. So I can open and close the gate and still have access to the mulch. My stinging nettle.
No, we're not going to do that.
It's really nice. So that's now, and when we finish, we're gonna see how it looks later. Again, this guy here. So that's it. For now, just want to record for myself, documentary how it was and how it's gonna be when we finally done with it. I love plants. They keep us alive. So I want to remove these guys here and make a similar mulch path around here, not so wide, but remove these blocks and join the mulch all around here. And kids are having fun. Just be safe, kids, okay? This is pear.
Yes, we also can play on that.
Be careful. Okay. There you go. This is the first phase. Removing or cutting the roots of the strawberries and other stuff, and removing everything, make it clean so it doesn't grow anymore on that specific area, and then putting mulch on the existing cleaned surface. It's a lot of work, but recreation, slowly but safely. I added the nice ground, nice earth, and black. I even put cow and sheep mixture manure, because that's a black. Ooh, that was in front of my nose. It's camouflage really nice. Whether you see it, it's here. Oh, it blends so good. Our human eyes cannot see it. So that's normal black earth. And I added this guy here. Yeah. Manure from cow and sheep. It has all that nice ingredients. Manure. Excrement. It's not excellent, it's excrement. Grows everything nice and good. Well, that's the nature, right? See, as you can see, I try to implement or introduce a little bit off from each row or layer, just in order to keep the kind of from sloping, because the whole thing is sloping this way and I don't want to make it straight. I want to make it kind of inwards, so a little bit off. Looks nice, looks good, and it's pretty deep, so it's a lot of mulch, but it's okay. I remove the blocks. The idea is to keep this in place, and when you need it, you just move it up. And good thing, it supposed to keep the mulch from the root or the bark, because it says in the paper and instruction that if you keep the mulch close to the tree, it's gonna introduce the rotting, so it's not very good. But I like this, my simple idea. It's coming along slowly but safely. I think I'm gonna make a break for today. One bag is gone, and I think I'm gonna just continue tomorrow. It's too much work. I don't want to pressure too much, just slowly. One bag is gone, one more to go. So that's the result of today's work. This is all clean, nicely. No, nothing. Ready for the mulch. And that's the idea, to put here and join it with this. And that's it for today, anyway. Let's see how it's gonna be tomorrow. There you go. Finally, project is done completely. It's not fine-tuned, but it's done. It's the way I want it to do, or to be. I made this zigzag thing, and that's it for now.
the main idea is just to put enough mulch so it doesn't go on the neighbor's side, and the neighbor's side doesn't go on my side. This is what is left from strawberries and some kind of vegetables, I don't even know, but it's the area anyway designated now for this angle for the garden, or garten, I think it's German, and this is what I want it to be, just protected, and they have a nice small path around the whole area, all around the house. Mulch guy. It's not bad. Took me a lot of time, but I was doing slowly. 1 yard. Every bag was a 1 yard cube, so 1/3. 1 cubic yard of mulch. I put one here, and one here around. This is from before. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna be cleaning it, and we put these guys around here too. I like it a lot. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy nature as much as I do. This is yesterday I was kissing apple, now I'm kissing pear. Hopefully I'm gonna be kissing these guys here. Anyway, it's good protected, and I love my wall, retaining wall, slightly inclined like this. Very nice, I like it. And this guy here too, I love this guy a lot. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.